Is this the bird? Oh, there's the bird. Black one's gone. You guys are gonna let me step in it. They already smelt it. That's why I actually able to look. 3-4 days later since the last time we were out here. Oh. Thank you, Roxy. Hold on, let me get your poo. Time out. Okay. Wait. Everybody stop. Did you really poop on the log? You pooped on the log. That's funny. Pause. Okay, you feel better? You gonna get wet? Ouch. Come on. Drop Blue's leash. Need some help, Blue? Yeah? I got you. What are you doing? Roxy, last one. I'll get you now. I'll get you. I'll get you. I'll get you. I'll get you. Alright, last one. Let's find a stick. Roxy, leave him alone, please. Thank you. Let's get you a stick. You want some alcohol? Yeah, I take that as a yes. Vodka? Is that vodka? Thank you, Roxy. Is there another bird? No, we're gonna look for birds now.